Effective daily routine for weight loss. 1. Wake up early. Wake up at a consistent time, for example 6 a.m. Early mornings help establish a routine and provide ample time for preparation and exercise. 2. Hydrate with warm water. Drink a glass of warm water with lemon to kickstart metabolism and flush out toxins. Adding a pinch of cinnamon or ginger can boost fat burning. 3. Stretch and light cardio. Perform 10-15 minutes of light stretching or yoga to improve blood circulation and prepare your body for the day. Add 15-20 minutes of brisk walking, jogging, or skipping rope to burn calories. 4. Healthy breakfast. Opt for a high-protein breakfast such as scrambled eggs with spinach, Greek yogurt with nuts and berries, oatmeal with chia seeds and almond butter. Avoid sugary cereals and processed foods. Protein and fiber keep you full and reduce snacking. Snack smart. If hungry, have a light snack like a handful of almonds, an apple, or carrot sticks with hummus. Avoid high-calorie packaged snacks. 5. Stay active. Stand or walk for 5 minutes every hour to avoid prolonged sitting, which can slow down metabolism. 6. Lunch. Build a balanced plate with lean protein, chicken, fish, tofu, or legumes, complex carbs, quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes, plenty of vegetables, broccoli, kale, zucchini, healthy fats, avocado or olive oil. Practice portion control and eat mindfully, avoiding distractions like TV or your phone. 7. Post-lunch movement. Take a 10-15-minute walk to aid digestion and prevent post-meal lethargy. Workout or activity. Schedule 30-45 minutes of moderate to intense exercise such as strength training, high-intensity interval training, CHIAT, dance or Zumba classes. Mix cardio and strength to burn calories and build muscle, which boosts metabolism. 8. Dinner. Keep it light and nutrient-dense. Grilled salmon with asparagus, lentil soup with a side salad, stir-fried veggies with a small portion of brown rice. Avoid heavy carb-loaded meals late at night. 3. Hydrate. Drink water or herbal teas, like green tea or chamomile, throughout the evening. This helps curb unnecessary snacking. Evening snack, optional. If you feel hungry before bed, have a light snack like a small piece of dark chocolate, a banana, or a handful of nuts. 2. Mindfulness practice. Spend 10-15 minutes meditating, journaling, or practicing deep breathing to reduce stress. Stress increases cortisol levels, which can lead to weight gain. 9. Sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones and increases cravings for unhealthy foods. Caloric deficit. To lose weight, maintain a caloric deficit. Burn more calories than you consume. Use apps like MyFitnessPal to track your intake. 2. Meal prep. Plan and prepare your meals in advance to avoid impulsive eating or unhealthy takeouts. 10. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Even small, sustainable changes can lead to significant results over time. 11. Monitor progress. Track your weight weekly and take body measurements or photos to notice non-scale victories like muscle tone and reduced bloating. 12. Stay motivated. Celebrate small wins, set realistic goals, and surround yourself with supportive people or communities.